Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want to share with you one of the best habits and also one of the hardest habits that I've implemented into my life, transformative for my business. So one of the first things that I do, I leave my phone downstairs. I put it downstairs at like 7 o'clock at night. I don't touch it again until I finish my morning routine. So I wake up, sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran up 3 flights of stairs. So then I do my morning routine and I don't touch my phone. And when I do actually grab my phone, I don't have email on there. I don't check Facebook and I don't check email until the afternoon. And so I do everything in my business to really, what's like the one thing I need to do to move forward. Typically it's creating content, recording videos, writing blog posts, that kind of thing. I do that in the morning. And then I check email, Facebook after all that is done. Because hear me out, email, Facebook, that's other people's agenda. You're going to get people messaging you, hey, can you do this? Hey, can you do this? And you never get the things done that you need to do to actually move forward. So it sounds simple. It was hard for me to actually really do on a consistent basis, but I'm telling you, when you do this, your business will change. So if you're in, shoot me a message on Instagram at She's Making an Impact and let me know. This is a challenge. Do it for 1 week. Do it for 1 week and let me know how you did. I believe in you. You got this. I'll see you later.